All right, so next is analytics, right? This is what y'all came for. Right? This is what puts the fans in the stands. So when you're doing your detective work, we have a number of ways to support you with insights and analysis to help you tell your story in picture format, to easily get your point across to end users that may not fully understand water talk like we do. So our analytics will cover 3 points: inventory tracking, trends and graphs, and then we'll close with system history. So I'll go ahead and share here. Okay, a little smoother transition there. That's wonderful. Okay, so let's go into inventory tracking. So we've got a number of different items we can click into here. We're going to start with product list. So when you open a product, okay, so this is all of the products that I have in the system that I'm wanting to track. Okay, so when you open a product, you can set up an SK product. So here we've got 50-pound bag of solar salt for softeners. What is the unit of measurement? We have a number of measurable options. This is a bag. So 50-pound salt bag as a product name, package, and that's also how we're wanting to be counting it. But again, we have many different options here. If there is a density associated, you can put a density if applicable, and then also select what kind of density. Now, if you do have SDS files and PDS files, which I'm sure you do, this allows you to keep those consolidated with the inventoried item. So very nice to go to one spot and have all the details and data there. All right, next we can go to system inventory. All right, so what you'll see here is for this customer, here's the product, the location, counted as bags. Here is the min max. So 25 max, minimum 5. And what do we have on hand? That is driven by the service reports. So as you are keeping track of that in the service reports, we're also keeping track of that here for you. So if you have a list of 10 items that you are inventorying and tracking for your customer on site, you'll be able to have a snapshot view of all 12, all 10, etc., and showing what is on hand at any given time. So a very good way to manage that from afar, being in the office. So when we click in, it's going to give you a more detailed look at those things. You can actually make the changes wherever necessary. Also, notifications. So if you do want to add a notification, if something goes under, minimum of 5, then I would get notified. Or if you have more than you should, there's notifications involved. That way you can more specifically manage those items. And then from there, you can go to inventory summary. So then you can summarize that inventoried item over a period of time. So if I want to track that, let's say from September 1st through to today, generate that report. And here is your summary month over month of usage each month. So you've got number of days, how much of that product was used, what was the daily average, the estimated annual average, and what is the unit measurement. Now this can also be created into a PDF, which is certainly nice to be able to share this information with the customer. So not only are we allowing you to build and share reports, but also these unique identifiers. That way you can improve that differentiation and value for a customer.